got it powered up. It's running. 500. I usually do 3450. Okay, didn't have to pull the motor, didn't have to pull the fan. I know there's dirt in there, but it's working. So that didn't take too long to get to this point. I guess what I'll say though is it probably should be pulled apart and really thoroughly cleaned. But I'm right in the middle of a project. It wasn't that hard to get it to this point, and it's not that much to pull this apart, but I need to make sure on the fan, on alignment of the fan. I don't know that piece yet. So for now, I know it's running again. I'm going to go ahead, I know, but I'm going to go ahead and put it back together really fast. I'm going to blow it all off because you saw more dust fly out. There's a good amount of dust in there. I'm going to do as much as I can out there, put it back together and get back to work. Thanks for watching. I hope this wasn't too boring, and more to come. I appreciate all you guys who have been watching me for a while. I really do. And please, just a comment saying, or what is that other thing they do on YouTube? I'm not good. Oh, thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up if you like this. I think that's what you're supposed to say. Anyway, thanks a lot, man. All right, you guys. So I put the cover back on. I didn't videotape. I'm sorry, I forgot to do that. But it was just putting those 3 screws back in. It was nothing special. Just pop it back on after I cleaned it all off. I just got through trying it one more time with the belt pulled off. I hope you saw me pull that belt off. That was pretty, actually, I'll do it again. Can you see what I'm doing? Yeah, maybe so. Okay. So I popped it off the pulley and I pulled it through the side here just to be safe. So there's no way for it to fall back against the motor. Turn it on. And I ran it. I know it's still running. So the cover's on. All I've got to do now is, bolt everything back in. But I wanted to make sure that, this part, safety is what you're supposed to always think about. This is not the safest way to do this job. The right way is to pull the motor out. So, I'm not being safe, but we'll try it on. Hear it? Cool. So we're still good. Now what I'm going to do, pop this back on. Do you see what I'm doing? Yeah. Okay. And then back here, pop it back on. I'm hoping I don't have to do any adjustments, but, I may. So I'm going to lift this up, pull my board out, let this drop back down in. And everything looks as it should. Get this green wire out of the way. There's nothing moving there. Now, spin this around to where okay. So yeah, it's trying to move up. So I don't have this. I may have to do this from up above. I can't remember now. Might look at the video that I did for you. Oh, it popped. Okay, there we go. I got it back where it was. All right. So that's looking pretty good. Spinning around. So I will come back. I've got to really push quite a bit right here, I can see, to pull this bottom screw in. So I'll be back. I'm just going to put these screws in on the side of the motor to get it all buttoned back up. Thanks for watching. Okay, all buttoned up. Oops, sorry. This tool came in really handy. It's magnetic. So I thought I'd show you what I had done. A little push stick to help hold the cover up. So we'll drop this down. And when I come back, I'll have it all back together. Okay guys, got the cover put on. Honestly, I haven't tried yet. The covers are all on, everything's good. I haven't put my spindles on, the SPT things, but that's okay. Let's see if it'll start up. Okay, I always go, 3450 is what I usually always do, so I'm just going to start it right there. Come on, baby. Confirm. Sounds pretty good, nice and quiet, sounds smooth, no clunking noises. What I will do, okay, let's try 9500. To me, it sounds like it's really doing right. No need to readjust the belts that way that I just did it, because everything is just like it was. I paid attention to put all the screws in by hand first, so I didn't cross-thread anything, because it's all cast aluminum, you know. So that you had to be careful of. And I had it unplugged the whole time. Yeah. I did have that done. So I'm back in business. Now, will it last? I don't know. I didn't do a real thorough, good cleaning job. Should have, but I really wanted to get going on my project. So I will do this another time when I have more time and I'm not trying to do anything else. Now that I know what I can do to get in there. And I probably, if it lasts long enough, I won't bother pulling off that fan. But I will research and I'll try to update you if I can remember to update you whether or not that fan has to be aligned any which way. Or if one of you knows, please leave a comment down for myself and others who are watching, because there's not many videos on doing this. There's a lot of forum talk in there, but no visuals, so visuals I find to be helpful. Thank you again, everybody. More projects are coming. The truck camper is still going. Actually, I spent the night in it one night already, but I didn't tape it. And testing the heater, the diesel heater, and it worked perfect, man. Ran all night. I was comfy. So anyway, I appreciate y'all.